Hi everyone, my name is Danny Jessee. Welcome to my course, Updating Legacy SharePoint Customizations. I am a senior SharePoint developer based in the Washington, D.C. area. Many organizations using SharePoint on-premises maintain portfolios of custom code and scripts that leverage different legacy development approaches advocated by Microsoft through the years. Others have large numbers of ad hoc script editor web parts scattered throughout pages across different sites, with little to no oversight or governance. Unfortunately, most of these customizations cannot be directly migrated to SharePoint Online, where custom scripts are generally disabled on modern sites. In this course, you will learn how to use the SharePoint Framework to replace these legacy customizations with maintainable, cloud-ready solutions that are supported by Microsoft, offer improved oversight and governance, and are guaranteed to work in the modern page experiences found in the latest versions of SharePoint. Some of the major topics that we will cover include taking inventory of the customizations already deployed in your environment, mapping different types of legacy customizations to capabilities provided by the SharePoint Framework, using client-side web parts and application customizer extensions to replace legacy script editor web parts, using command set extensions to replace user custom actions, and using field customizer extensions to replace JS-Link customizations. By the end of this course, you will be able to categorize the types of customizations found in legacy SharePoint environments, and understand how to develop replacement capabilities using the SharePoint Framework. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the SharePoint Framework, including how to stand up a local development environment, as well as how to create new SharePoint Framework solutions and deploy them via the app catalog. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to make your existing SharePoint solutions cloud-ready using the SharePoint Framework with this course, Updating Legacy SharePoint Customizations, at Pluralsight.